The urban mine can be seen as a counterpart to the geological mine, with raw materials being extracted from the anthroposphere instead of the earth crust, which is part of the geosphere. The word urban is used to emphasize that these mines are largely located in cities, but when we talk about the urban mine, we typically also consider human-made objects in non-urban areas. According to a definition provided by the European Horizon 2020 project PROSUM, the urban mine would include any materials and products presently in use, stored, discarded, and disposed. Urban mining, the activity of extracting raw materials from the urban mine, is not a new activity. Humans have been recycling metals or glass for thousands of years. What is new is that we are extracting and using a large number of raw materials that are not recovered to any significant extent after use, such as critical metals like gallium, germanium, rare earth elements, or tantalum, with end-of-life recovery rates below 1%. See the red-colored boxes in this figure. This is a problem due to the high environmental impacts of primary mining and potential supply risks. Rare and critical metals are, amongst others, used in many electrical and electronic vehicle components. The mass fraction, for example, of gold, a typical driver for recycling to its monetary value, is roughly the same in vehicles and gold ores from geological mines. Another example is the stock of neodymium in automotive electrical and electronic equipment, which is even slightly higher than in household electrical and electronic. Currently, however, in countries like Switzerland, such rare and critical metals from electrical and electronic car components are typically not being recovered. They are lost in conventional waste disposal processes, such as through incineration of car shredder residues. As a result, there are large untapped stocks of rare and critical metals in vehicles, although their recovery would result in clear environmental benefits and allow to reduce supply risks.